Welcome to Webstyle Plus. How to make see-through text in Canva. See-through text creates a stylish effect that lets you view what's behind the text, adding depth and a modern touch to the design. So here it is. Let me select the text. Ideally, text should be bold and fat. This looks good. I'll ungroup and remove extra. Now all it takes to make it see-through is to apply an effect. Click Effects from the top bar. From Styles panel, at the left, select Hollow Effect. And there you go. Adjust letter spacing to make it better. You can also start from a new text layer. To do that, click Add a text box. Adjust text size. Let's make it white. From Effects, select Hollow Style. And there you go. If it doesn't look good, adjust effect thickness. Now it looks better, right? Let me apply a background to see if it's see-through or not. From Elements, I'll select this one. Apply it as background. See? Let's bring in another background. This looks better. See, this is see-through text or hollow text. So this is how you can make see-through text in Canva. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.